Alrighty, so in week 9 of our class, I already have a Learn Together 9 video where you're going to take and actually have your experience of presenting data onto the page from using some existing data in your arrays and then presenting that onto the page. So in this case, I tell you the number of items I want. So anyway, the video here should definitely help you understand what I want you to do. And I want you to take a print screen and give us a link to your code. And then, consider those of you, and actually everyone that wants to take it up to a notch by actually creating a button, adding an event listener. Because these are important concepts that we will now use. I think we actually return one time to a command line, but for the most part we'll be using web pages to have our code run, to update them, which is really, why we're writing Java client-side JavaScript. So the only other thing I wanted to give you a heads up about this week, besides my travel schedule that I've been talking about before, was this time I'm going to continue because it seems like most of you felt like, and I agree, that it is good to at least spend a little more time. And he generally does a summary at the end of these, but I really want to hear your understanding. And this is an important thing, man, because on this section too, there were a couple of the challenges that I had to stop and think about and really give some time to. So I want you to tell me how you did on those coding challenges, in addition to, are actually inside of this MD file, which I want headings on there for each one, and then on the ones that are the coding that he gives you coding challenges, even if it's in, where you've taken concept otherwise, or sometimes there's a whole video that's all it is. I want you to tell me how you're doing on these coding challenges, because to me, this is a way important part of this. Okay, so today actually is Saturday, and I just recorded the Learn Together for week 10, so for the following week, and then I'm hoping to get, and if I don't get it done today, one before I head out. And so what I was talking about is, and I gave you the heads up last week, is this is the week during week 9 that I'll be traveling. So I'll be leaving on Thursday the 11th, not returning until the 15th. But that means I'm still grading. Even though I'm traveling, computer goes with me wherever I go. I still grade and I still respond to questions. So just know, though, that if you're looking for me this coming week on Thursday, Friday, or the following Monday, I will not be landing on campus until the 16th. And then that week is the week right before DevFest. So DevFest is the 20th. So if you haven't asked me for a ticket, now is the time. In this video, or just send me an email, actually is the best way. Just send me an email to Canvas and say you'd like a ticket. We've run halfway through our ticket allotment, so if you're interested, which I hope you are, and again, the schedule is up. We have 4 people from Google coming. Should be an awesome event. I was going to say, where's it at? You can see the schedule of what's going to happen. Google Tech, like I said, we have I think 4 people now from Google. Our Spanish track, machine learning, this is a talk I'm giving, net security, makerspace, and Flutter Lab. Alright, if you want a ticket, let me know. I'd love to give you one. So have a great week, and then I will, like I said, I've already written the draft of the requirements for Develop It 3, so if you want to look forward to what those are. But the key is going to be, we're going to select one of the 2 programs we're going to do. Code review for Develop It 3s are optional, and you'll see what I mean by that when I talk about it here in week 10. Alright, have a good rest of your weekend. Bye.